20th, I believe. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Coming up on the lake, thanks to my fishing partner, getting up, getting everything ready. Look at that moon over there. Cat, you know what I'm gonna say? Beautiful striper night, but it's bass morning. Sun's coming up. We're about to ease into 4 times, and we're gonna try something different on old 4 times today. I'm gonna show you. I think Dee's gonna throw him a tube to start. I'm gonna throw this Gulp Alive big old minnow, sinking minnow. I'm gonna throw it wacky style, see if I can't snag him. But I want D-Man to toss in there first. This is tradition. Get our first fish on, so I know we're gonna have a hell of a day today, whether we catch a single fish or not. I'm out here with my partner, not working. It's gonna be a sunny, beautiful day. He packed all kind of beverages, so it'll be fun no matter how many fish we catch. FishingWithVance.com. Look at the bleeding tube kicking ass. Nice. And just like that, there's 3 fish in the boat, kids.
Number 4. This is going to be the first of the day for Bagger Vance over here off Vance Island. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's 2 points.
Bleeding tube. Appears to be
all day then.
The bleeding tube putting on a show right now. This seems like a good one. We've yet to see him. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Yes. Good job, D. Right now the bass are just chowing the bleeding tube. We've been here for 20 minutes. My partner's already caught 4 on the bleeding tube. And this place is amazing. So, FishingWithVance.com.
Vance is at Christmas right now. He's at the ready with the net.
Oh, that is a nice fish. Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Look at that pig.
Yeah. He liked that tube. He was. I saw your cast. It was real close to shore. Oh, yeah, my gosh. That is a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Under
That's
us.
a fucking hook set.
Under his hook set.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
My fault. This is he was deciding he was going for a ride. We're definitely getting some more quality fish on the tube. Fishing with Vance. Off Vance Island right now. These fish are just on fire on the tube. I'm still trying to get mine out. Perform surgery.
I can do this guy.
D-Man's just gonna swing them in. What is going on here? Doink. Be done, but he's cruising out in the middle with the red tube. Deep water time. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, nice.
Lucky number 7.
The tube, the bleeding tube is just dominating. tube. He appears to. Look at him running. The sun is just coming up. I almost hit his pole. Looks like a pretty good fish. Oh, it is. Oh! This is a beauty.
He's 6 feet off the boat.
He's back again. Oh yeah, take your time with this guy. Nice.
Number 10.
Yes, sir.
He's literally right there. Not so fast. Freaking tall.
All I know is one thing. A clinic is being put on right now by the man in the front of the boat. Fleck, I don't know what it is, the June bug, I think.
He's fucking 3 feet from the boat.
He showed himself.
It was right there.
Yes.
Oh my.
He swirled on it as soon as it hit the ground. See it?
Yep.
As soon as it hit the turf. Little black worm for him. Bitten off one, no less. A couple times. He's down to a normal size.
It's alright, I'm deciding you need it right there.
Yeah. Need to get one going. Been a while. It's alright.
Oh yeah, these are totally different world.
Cruising over. Oh. It's a nice one. Cruising over in the shade.
Okay.
There he is. I gotta tie this thing. There's one.
Been on all that time.
Wow.
Oh yeah, nice fish.
He's on the fat baby finesse. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
On the tube.
Yes. See down there. Yes, sir.
Mr. Tube-tastic.
Little point area.
Mr. Fantastic. The fish. Oh yeah. No doubt about that one. You won't go anywhere.
He chowed. There he is, buddy.
I just squeeze it together.
My partner's gazing off of this.
I was looking at my line because my line's still out. I wanted to make sure I didn't have a book.
Thank you, buddy. Look at the fat baby Ray.
Oh, get in there.
Yeah. You know, old China. Mike just pulled one out with the rage craw. It was next fish, beer time. So thank God for the rage craw. He's yet to catch anything, this gigantic black worm. So hopefully I catch one. In the meantime, Malcolm to Miller time. Get a fish on. Tube-tastic over in the corner. What side you bringing him, buddy?
Can't be that far away. There's no squiddies.
Yep. there as far as I could to the weed line. I don't think he's very big, but I'll take it. I think I'm bringing mostly weeds with me. Here he comes. This is a big one. Oh yeah.
Nice size fish.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one. That's it on the side. You're good. Nice. Good job, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Tube-tastic.
Tube-tastic time. Alright, hold on a second. Let me just jam you up in here a little bit. Yeah, that way you have all the pockets. I'm about to catch one right out of this one right here next to us. I know you love that. You love this fishing technique right here. You'll shit your pants if I catch one, won't you?
You catch one right there.
Yes, you do. Oh yeah. Are you going on?
No way.
Get in there, boy.
Look out. Look out.
Oh my. He's coming in. Talking about flipping. He is. Pop a pump. Over on the other side. Yes, sir. He's coming at you. Yep. Get in here. Yes.
What you gonna eat? Hot Pockets? Wow, it's engulfed. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yes.
Fatty.
Look what that tube is. Pump. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a beauty though. Oh. Not the boat. Hot tamale. Maybe get on the schneid. Yeah, it's a little bass. I'll take it. Much needed.
KVD never disappoints.
Oh, that's a nice one. Take your time with that, dude. Looks real good. Oh! Baby bluegill.
6.5 inch. It's the first one on the big worm right there at freaking sun up about 2 o'clock. Broke his jaw right out of that weed line right there about 8 feet away.
For fish number 10 on the baby bluegill.
Fishing with Vance.
Me and the D-man, we're taking a little lunch break. And he's got us anchored against the bank. Of course, we're having a high life. It's a beautiful day. Knocked out a bunch of fish. D-man's got about 15-ish. 15. I'm sitting on 9. And got some nice ones today. Nothing gigantic, but the D-man, Mr. High Life, he knocked out half dozen in the first 20 minutes, and a couple of those were some nice ones. So all in all, good so far, but we got a lot of fishing yet to do. We do have one man down on the oar, but we might be able to repair him at home, but no big deal. So fishingwithvance.com. I've been letting the camera run all damn day, videoing basically nothing, but this is definitely not nothing. This is what I call the high life. Fishingwithvance.com. The Rage Craw.
Oh, see him?
Oh, I see him. He was lurking.
Yeah, he tried to play fucking coy. At that time, buckaroo.
He was lurking. And the rage crawl.
Tried to say, oh, it's just weeds. It's just weeds. No need. Nothing to see here. Uh-huh. Then whenever you dig a little deeper, that's when Mr. 16 comes out. On Oh so pretty, so take me how pretty. Oh so pretty, rage crawl.
Maybe not. Can't tell. Nah, ain't no bluegill. Boy, he mouthed it like a bluegill, man. He did not say like usual. But I'll take it.
On the purple.
Yeah, the tried and true. The original finesse. Oh!
What an aerial display.
Okay, okay.
Rod tip down. Hopefully the audience saw that. Notice what a professional move that was. Go for it again, and he shoots. He scores.
Rage craws.
17 on the board. I thought I could see it. Oh yeah, look at that danger. Look at that. Danger. Vance with a flip and tug. Where is it?
He's right below us. He tried to just go diving.
You sure? That we don't have a big boy on here?
Yeah.
He's bringing the whole season.
I have it wrapped. All right, here we are back in the garage after an awesome day of fishing today. It's a warm day, but we had a lot of fun. So, D-Man, why don't you wrap it up for us?
Fishingwithvance.com. What is today? July
20th?
20th. Vacation day right here. Vacation day for the guy behind the camera. Very hot today. Very sunny. Beautiful day. We were out on the water at 6. We got off the water at 6:30, so 12 hours. Grand total of 36 largemouth bass, 20 for this guy, 16 for that guy. So great time overall. Couple coolers out on the boat, having fun. You know what we do when we do it, so here we go. Day ending ceremony. Welcome to Miller time.
God forgives and I don't. It's one of my many emotions. That's one of my many flaws. I am flawed. It may not seem that way, but I am. So don't play with me. If I could talk about the bodies, I could tell you about the killing, duct taping.